Need to cancel an Amazon Flex shift? Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Open the Amazon Flex app. Launch the Amazon Flex app and go to the Calendar section. This is where all your scheduled delivery blocks are listed. Step 2. Locate your scheduled shift. Scroll through your calendar and tap on the shift you want to cancel. Step 3. Forfeit the block. Once you've opened the shift details, tap on Forfeit this time, then swipe to confirm your cancellation. Important: you must cancel your shift at least 45 minutes before it starts. Canceling within this window won't affect your reliability rating, also known as your standing. Step 4. Consider substituting. If you're canceling more than 65 minutes before the shift, you may also see an option to substitute block. This lets another eligible Amazon Flex driver pick up your shift. Just tap Substitute, and the block will be made available to others in the app. Final tips: cancel at least 45 minutes ahead to avoid any negative impact. Use the substitute option if possible. It helps the community and keeps your account in good standing. And that's how to cancel or substitute a shift on Amazon Flex in 2025.